And thank you for joining us. I'm Tessa Spencer. First at 6, a federal grand jury indicted suspended Charleston County Judge James Gosnell Jr. and an unnamed co-conspirator Tuesday with multiple counts related to the acquisition and distribution of child sexual abuse materials. Our Emily Deanne was in downtown Charleston where Gosnell was arraigned this afternoon. And Emily, what have we learned today?
Tessa, the former judge will stay behind bars until his trial is scheduled. Thursday in court, James Gosnell Jr. was formally advised of his charges, with his attorney entering a not guilty plea to preserve his rights.
Gosnell was indicted this week by a federal grand jury on multiple charges related to child sexual abuse material, including possession, receipt, distribution, and conspiracy. Indictment documents describe disturbing alleged conduct, activities involving very young children, international travel, and the use of USB devices and online communications among co-conspirators. Gosnell's attorney confirming there is more to come.
This is only the first phase. We have some legal motions we'll be filing once we get a scheduling order from the court, some that we think that the judge will have to take a good hard look at. So we look forward to doing that and look forward to being back in court.
Federal agents say the case began with a tip from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, leading to a search of Gosnell's Charleston home in September. Federal prosecutors declined to comment Thursday, but continue to urge the public to come forward if they have any information about potential victims or others who may have had contact with Gosnell. Representative Nancy Mace also in court, pushing for justice and offering resources.
I'm deeply concerned for any child who may have been in the vicinity or in his home or near him or with him alone. One of the things I learned going through the system was the lack of rights that are respected, even though they're law, for potential victims of abuse. And so I want to make sure that they know what their rights are, that they are being attended to, and that their rights are being protected.
Gosnell was suspended from his judicial post by the state's Chief Justice on the grounds that his continued service posed a substantial threat to the public and the administration of justice.
This is not political for me. I believe that child rapists should receive the death penalty in South Carolina.
Gosnell will remain behind bars with federal marshals. The judge deferred to a district judge for further scheduling. Working for you, Emily Deanne, News 4.